Good morning, students. Welcome to the online platform. Today we will discuss about balanced and unbalanced force. Okay, so I will write here. Today we will talk about balanced, and unbalanced force. Okay, we will talk about balanced and unbalanced force. What does it? So we will talk about first balanced force. Balanced forces. When I will write here, when the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is zero, the forces are said to be balanced force. What does it mean when the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is zero? There is a body and resultant of all the forces. It's mean like this force, this direction force, this force and this force. Okay, the all forces are becomes zero, so the body is balance. The force acting on that particular body is called balance force. So I will write here an object under balanced balance force. Okay, so this is the diagram of balance force. So I will write the balance force. The balance forces are cannot change the speed or velocity. Okay, so the balance forces cannot change the speed or velocity of moving body. Okay, it cannot be changed the speed or velocity of moving body. Okay, this is the first point about the balance forces. What is the definition of balance forces? When the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is zero. Here is force is equal to this force is equal to this force is equal to this force, and all the forces becomes zero. So body is to be called as balanced force. So all the forces acting on that particular object are called balance force. Okay, we will talk about unbalanced force. So the next topic, unbalanced forces. So here I will write the definition of unbalanced force. The when the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is not zero. Here this is the big difference between both of them. Body is zero and here body is not zero. Here body is zero and here body is not zero. So body, when body is not zero, the forces are unbalanced force. So I will write here the forces are unbalanced 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 force. Okay, I will write here in the diagram. So this is the any object, and this is the also any object. Okay, and this objects move this direction. Okay, this is A object and this is B object. Okay, this B object move this direction and attach with the wire or attach with the rope. Okay, and here i will I will write here Fa means force of A object is greater than force of B. It's mean that force of A move this direction and force of B moves not this direction, in this direction, because both forces are unbalanced. Both forces are unbalanced. Fa forces are more in comparison to Fb. Okay, so this is the diagram of these two objects. Okay, and I will write here the unbalanced forces can set a stationary object in motion. Object in motion. This is the first point. And second point, set a moving object at rest. Okay, so stationary object in motion, this is help with the unbalanced force. Set a moving object at rest when we have to applied force on that particular point. Okay, so this two diagram is very important for you. And the last topic, that is effect of forces, we will discuss about the next video or next time. Okay, next class. And today's assignment for you, assignment on 30 of April 2020. So question number 1, define balanced balance force with diagram. And question number 2, define unbalanced force with diagram. These two question is only for you. And if you are watching this topic, you are comment in comment section and also learn all these terms. Okay, because this is balanced and unbalanced forces is the your which class assignment third. This is the previous resultant force, previous lecture. And this is the today's lecture is balanced and unbalanced force. Okay, so you can learn it all these things, and you can make on good notes on your fair copy. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.